Hello everybody, welcome back to Divination Diva. So this is going to be a video about the next milestone in your career. This is a general reading. It may or may not resonate with you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. This is a general reading for the entire collective out there. The next milestone in your career. Let's see. Stability is something that I'm hearing. Growth, stability, flow of money. Let's see. Oh God, this is, oh wow. It's literally what I said. It's so amazing when the cards just clarify what you are getting. The Queen of Pentacles is all about nurturing grounded energy, good, earthly, stable energy. Lovers, maybe you want to do something creative, or you would want to pursue, maybe your interest is in art, or in whatever you're doing right now, you want to bring in more creative ways. If you see over here in this Lovers card, one second, yeah, if you see over here, this angel is dropping so many colorful sparkles or something colorful. The angel is dropping, so colors are coming into your life. Okay, colors are coming in your career. And yeah, Page of Cups, another card, communication, creativity, free flow. Yeah, lots of people are going to appreciate you as well. But overall, your career is expanding. It's reaching out to more people. Yeah. And with the Lovers and the Page of Cups, it's a guaranteed sign that you should definitely do something creative, because it's going to be very good. We'll clarify cards. We'll check this Devil also. Why is this here? Devil Tower. Okay, we'll take these two. Lovers and Page of Cups clarification. Let's see for that first. You might have some doubts about whether this creative idea or this thing will work or not, but please don't have it, because it will definitely work. With the Empress and Page of Pentacles over here, it just confirms that this idea is bound to be a success. We have two major arcanas and then we have two pages. You are not immature and you are not wrong. Yes, you might be inexperienced and you might be starting out. You may be young, but that doesn't mean you don't want to grow and you don't want to grow into something better. These are good cards. Page of Cups and Page of Pentacles, these are good energies. Soft, creative, curious, grounded, earthly, practical. Okay, these are the good pages. The other two pages are not so good, but these are the good pages. Okay, you want the good for people, you want the good for whatever you're doing. You want to do good, you want to bring in positive, stable energy. Please go ahead with your ideas. Okay, whatever you are thinking, execute them. Think about it better, find ways to execute it. You are doing very well. It is going to give you results. For many, I see some support also might come. It could be from a teacher, mentor, a father figure kind of an energy. For many, it could be their husbands as well, husbands or boyfriends as well. Somebody who's very understanding of this venture of yours, and this person might maybe invest or give you some better ideas, or they might help you grow. Good energies all over. Don't let the negative thoughts stop you. Go ahead with whatever you are planning to do, because it is bound to be a success and your idea is correct. So go ahead with that. Now we'll check these two. Why are these two here? Tower and Devil. Okay, it's not necessarily a bad energy, it's just whatever was stuck in the past has to go, something like that I'm getting. Let's see. Yeah, let go of the past, whether it be beliefs, whether it be people, whether it be situations. Just let go, just let it go, because once this is gone, the thing that is coming towards you is so much joy and love, and like money, raining money. The Empress is also about people really looking at you with that thought and feeling that if I go to this person will solve my problem. If I go to this person will take care of me. If I go to this person, I will be heard. That kind of energy also. So a lot of recognition and respect amongst people, maybe amongst the people that you're working with, you're working for, whatever it might be. And this is a fast change. Eight of Wands, this is a fast change. 8 days to 8 weeks, fast change this is. So get ready, because beautiful energies, beautiful energies are coming towards you. Yeah, especially when it comes to career. Today in the career reading, we got a lot of like Empress and Ace of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles. We got a lot of Pentacles, the good ones. So yes, stability, abundance, growth, everything is coming towards you. We got the Queen of Pentacles also at the start. All this is coming towards you. Wow, wonderful. So yeah, that is all I have for you today. Hope this helps. Like this video and share it with your friends and family. Comment down below and let me know your thoughts about this video. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you are notified whenever I put up a new video. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.